Kumana na itacokia ria thirikari ria gwitikiria kureho kwa mbembe cia GMO, mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ni areganite na itacokia riri. Raila ni okereire mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto akiuga thirikari yake ti ya Kenya irarutira wira no arahuthika kurutira wira mabururi ma nanja na kumateithia gukinyaniria wendi wao uria tari na uguni kuri akenya.
People have been approached and they have made commitments without consulting anybody in the country. So they are trying basically to steamroll this issue, the country, for their own maybe individual benefits.
Raila ni oritie thirikari guteaniria itwa riri nginyagia riria bururi ugukorwo na ndereti ya irio cia GMO, akiuga gutire no thuthurio na umwe wonanitio kinyaniru wa irio ici kuria augite kuona kuri na universities iria cianakorwo cionanitio hoti wa guthundura mbegu itiganite nicio ibatie kuheo kigina na itanya ria bururi uteithike hamwe na kuongerera magetha.
Why are we so quick to give money to foreign biotechnology companies when our own institutions that have demonstrated capacity to develop safe and trusted foods are struggling?
Raila ahinyiriirie ati mbegu cia GMO cioka guku bururi-ini na ikuhukia mbegu iria ikoretwo kuo, akiuga kuri na mabururi maingi mareganite na irio o ciothe cia GMO, akiuria bunge cieri kwambika ndereti igie irio cia GMO na kuria akenya matikarie irio ici.
Parliament must push for motions to comprehensively and fully debate what the country should do with GMOs. We appeal to the people's representatives to lead this discussion with immediate effect and invite Kenyans from all walks of life to submit their views.
Toguka kuria mbembe cia guturaga niki tutitigane nacio nigetha thirikari ikimenya atiriri kitwambe twaririe ndeto ino no ndirauga tutikwaria tondu kwina baba no tuhande.
Senator wa Nandi Samson Cherargei augite ona gutuika ni gukoretwo na ng'aragu irabatara gutangikirwo urehi wa mbembe cia GMO wagereire kurugamio na thirikari igurire arimi a guku bururi-ini mbembe amu ni hindi maragetha.
Minister of Trade and in consultation with Minister of Agriculture stops immediately the importation of maize until and unless farmers have supplied to the National Cereals and Produce Board their full harvest. I have heard there is a misnomer that maize farmers are hoarding maize. We are not hoarding maize in any way. We have our maize ready, but National and Cereals Produce Board is not open.
Atongoria ya maugite mbembe ici ciingira guku bururi-ini ugakorwo uri undu muritu kurugamia kureho gwacio kuona ona thoko ya mbembe cia guku bururi-ini ni guthuka, undu uria utumite ona arimi a mbembe manegene. Na kurumirira miario iria Minister wa Iganda na Wonjoria Moses Kuria eriga kurekereria hari kurehwo kwa mbembe cia GMO, Raila ni oritie Kuria gucunga muhera kuri akenya kuona ni kumanyarara, akiuga irio cia GMO ni ugwati kuri akenya.
In this country you are a candidate for death, and because there are so many things competing for death, there's nothing wrong with adding GMO to that list.
We call upon Mr. Moses Kuria and the order regime to apologize to the people of Kenya.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.